Hey guys, morning. This is Monday morning, and this is at VJools. This is my channel, and this is the day in office. And I'm gonna just record myself and see what we can come out with. So this is the day in office. The table's here, and Louise is there working. The secretaries are not here yet, and there's some bills to be paid, some jobs to be looked at, and making sure we start the week good and not too crazy. Usually it is crazy, and this week, of course, we all know that it's gonna be the election, and downstairs the sounds are people are getting ready, closing and covering the windows and everything. So it's going to be a little bit chaotic down there, but we're here, nothing phases us. We're going to go for it, and we're going to do a great week, especially this time, man. Like when people are a little bit worried and scared, you're going to push it a little bit more, so you'll be little bit ahead of everybody, so ahead of what you're gonna do, what your potential is. So, and I'm gonna start with my coffee, man, today. Like I'm gonna go and make myself a coffee, and we make coffees here, This is our podcast table. Right, so and this is the coffee machine that we make espressos here. So I'm gonna make something really good for myself. You guys can maybe like put here and alrighty. So if you guys are not familiar with making espresso coffee, macchiato, first thing first, you're gonna clean your jar. Louis, what do you call this, man? Jar?
Which one?
This?
Portafilter.
Portafilter. Alright, live and learn, right? There we go. And you get your little scoop. Put a good amount of coffee in here. Just a little bit more because it's Monday. You know how that goes. We all need some coffee, especially coffee lovers. Over again. All right, I'm back. That was Rita, the secretary, and obviously she's downstairs now, and she's taking her little sweet time because she deserves it, I guess. We all do. All right, you gotta push on it like that, and put the machine on, install this thing, make sure we got enough water. We do. Louis, do you want coffee?
Sure.
All right, Louis wants coffee too. So that means we're making double espresso. Cups in here, and let's go for it. Turn the machine on, give it a minute. It wants to go, not ready yet. So yeah, guys, this like this morning I woke up and just listening to a bunch of motivation stuff. 15 next 15 moves with Valuetainment with Patrick and David. I was listening to that. That was something I've listened to it a year ago or a year and a half ago, but like this morning I thought it's a good thing to listen, to refresh. Sometimes you want that motivation, that focus, like what are we doing, what we're about. So that got me thinking, man, driving by myself on the freeway, empty, usually before this COVID, all this situation, that freeway would be jammed, traffic. It was empty. I was just going for it, and my mind was just thinking, and listening to Grant Cardone University and just like coming up with concept ideas. Like we're working on 2 websites and we haven't seen anything substantial. So like, what is it? When is it? How it is? If you guys know anything about it, let me know, because I'm searching and looking how we're gonna make our websites work. So as well, Luis, he's here 7 days a week. He's working. We're all working our butts off here, and not easy. Definitely not easy. But it's durable. You know, people do it all day long. We'll get there. When we do, definitely we'll be sharing some stories with you guys. And you know, meanwhile the machine is working here, doing the coffee. Let me turn it the other way. There you go. Beautiful coffee, Monday morning coffee. I'm gonna go bring the milk. All right, we got enough milk. Luis, we're gonna need some milk.
Oh yeah?
We don't have enough, I mean for now, to make coffee, but we have to, looks like, go and get some coffee, man. Okay, let's bring it up just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so next we're gonna get what is this, teapot? Pitcher. Pour it enough that we get really good cream. You know, like I'm like still struggling trying to make this cream, that little what is it, the name, the design?
Latte art.
What? Latte art. And that's not easy, man. I'm gonna do one and then Luis is gonna do one. You guys gonna see the difference. Mine is in progress. Alrighty, let's do it. We need a steamer to make this thing nice and creamy. Come on, let's go. Takes a minute. We gotta make it a little foamy and creamy and juicy for the coffee. This is definitely a lot of milk for those 2 little cups. Luis, I think I pour a lot of milk here. Looks like we can make 4 coffees with this thing. Alright, it's getting warm. You gotta have the fingers touching the metal so you feel the heat building up, rising. By the way, I learned everything from Luis. Luis is the master of coffee. There we go. It's the cream. It's the yummy cream. I'm gonna go in the coffee. Alright, let me show you guys how this thing works. So this is the creamer. Look at it, how creamy it got. So cool, right? And those are the coffee. You have to hit it like that. Okay, so let's set it down here. And the cups are a little bit jagged, crooked, but whatever, right? We're not selling this. We want to consume this here. So this is how it's supposed to do it, but it never gets done correctly, man. You guys see my design? It's beautiful. Luis,
Yes.
come show, man. Come show everybody how this is done. Mine is like sad.
It looks alright, man. Not bad.
It just looks alright.
Alright, the master barista is here. That's a lot of milk, man.
I
Hold
know.
on. You should have thrown some of it out.
That's why.
That makes sense.
Now, see, living, you gotta learn this thing, man. There you go.
There you go.
That's how it's done, man. Easy. Look at mine. Look at his. Mine looks like a tower or something. Look how beautiful. So, anyways, we're gonna drink this thing and have fun with it. Well, you can have your coffee, man. Let's go in for a second, see what's going on in there. While I can have my beautiful coffee. No one's here, man, today.
It's just better. Let's pause.
I brought some project here. We gotta have install those things.
Get your go-to playlist when you're on the go. Visit drinksmartwater.com to learn more.
So, I don't know, everyone's being a little bit lazy. The polisher is not here yet. Manuel, soon, he's got some project to install that. It's crazy. Last week this whole thing broke. Look at that. It looks terrible. Anyways, all right, so I guess this is it, man. We're gonna start Monday, and yeah, that's what happens every morning here, VJools. All right, anyways, I'm gonna get to doing lots of work, and hope you guys have a good weekend, man. Good week, and whatever you have to do, just go for it. Don't wait. Yeah, life is not waiting. So we're not gonna live 300 years old. That's always I say that because I realize we are not. So whatever you're doing, just go for it and make it happen. Don't worry how it's gonna work out. Just do it. And love you guys. We'll see you later.